Okay, example 5, choosing the best loan. Chris wants to buy a replacement for the snowplow for her truck, but cannot afford the purchase price of $1,600. She has two plans offered. With the first plan, she can pay $800 up front and $850 in 6 months. With the second plan, she can pay $400 now and $1,380 in 9 months. Before she decides, she wants to know which will have the higher annual simple interest rate. So let's look at her two plans. We'll start with plan 1. So in plan 1, she's going to pay $800 up front and borrow $800 more. So her principal is $800. It's $1,600 minus the $800 she's paying up front. So she's going to actually borrow $800. And she has to pay $850 in 6 months. So her time is 6 months. We divide that by 12 months. And it's 0.5 year. And the interest she's paying is that $1,650, 800 plus 850 minus the $1,600. So she's paying $50 in interest. And we want to know the rate. Now in plan 2, it says she's paying $400 now. So her principal is $1,600 minus $400. So $1,200. And she's paying back in 9 months. So her time is 9 months over a year, over 12 months. So 0.75 year. And then her interest, well, she's paying back $1,380 and she borrowed $12, so her interest is $180. So what is the rate there? So we're going to go and use the simple interest calculator twice to get the two rates. All right, here's our interest calculator. And in the first case, her interest is $50 and her principal was $800. Her time was half a year, so 0.5, which made her interest rate 12.5%. In the second case, her interest was $180. The principal was $1,200. And the time was 3/4 of a year, 0.75. So her interest rate was 20%, which was significantly higher. So option 1 had an interest rate of 12.5%, and option 2 had an interest rate of 20%. 20% was higher, so option 2 was higher.